Ciao world! What I have here is an output transformer from a tube amplifier, turntable tube amplifier, and I forgot to write down the primary and the secondary side, and also I don't know which is the impedance of each side. So let's first find out which is the primary and which is the secondary. So to find out which is the primary and the secondary, we just have to check the resistance value, and it is 309 almost, and this side is, let's say, 1 ohm. The higher resistance usually is the primary side, so this should be the primary side. To find out the impedance, we have to apply a formula. So we know that the ratio between the primary and the secondary side impedance is equal to the ratio of the turns ratio squared from the primary and the secondary side. And we don't know the ratio, but we know how to find the ratio. We just have to apply a voltage on the primary side and read the voltage output on the secondary side. But because when you load the secondary side, there's some drop, and this ratio will change just a little. So I do a mean value between the voltage reading without a load and with a load. So let's first apply a voltage on the primary side and read out the voltage value. So let's check the voltage, and voltage on the primary side is 163. Now let's check the voltage on the secondary side without load. By the way, I'm using an AC transformer with a 200 milliamp fuse, just in case. Voltage on the secondary without load is 4.5, let's say. Now just put a load on the secondary side, and we will put a resistor, a 4 ohm 25 ohm resistor, 25 watt ohm resistor, and let's read this voltage, and it's 3 volts. Let's say 2.9, 3 volts. So the ratio is equal to 4.5 plus 3 divided by 2, 3.75. 163 divided by 3.75 is 43.5. So the impedance on the primary side when there's a load of 4 ohm is 43.5 squared multiplied by 4, so it's 7K5. Let's try with a load of 8 ohm, and with a load of 8 ohm we read 3.7 volt, 3.6 volt, and 4.5 minus 3.6, 4.5 plus 3.6 divided by 2 is 4.1, let's say 173 divided 4.1 is 39.7, and so for 8 ohm we have a 39.7 squared multiplied by 8, and we have 12 K6. So when a 4 ohm is applied on the secondary side, let's suppose a speaker on the 4 ohm, the output tube on the primary side sees an impedance of almost 8 ohm, and I suppose this tube output tube here, that is from, if I remember, an ACL 86, I suppose the original amplifier was something around 4 ohm, because this is a value that fits an ACL 86. So I hope it helps. This is my method of finding it. There are a few other methods, but this is how I measure the impedance on the primary and the secondary side of an unknown transformer, output transformer.